Hey everybody, it's Doug Green and I'm the publisher of Technology Reseller News. And we're back at Enterprise Connect and I'm with Matt McGinnis of Five9. Matt, thank you for joining me.
Hello, Doug. Nice to be here with you.
Well, I'm glad you're able to take some time out here. A very busy day at EC 2026. Fabulous Las Vegas. We're going to be talking about some interesting things you're seeing at the show. But first, what is Five9?
Yeah, so Five9 is one of the leaders in the cloud contact center space. We really focus on contact center or new CX solutions to really help people create amazing customer experiences.
So, we're already sort of halfway through the show. What trends are you seeing at Enterprise Connect this year?
Yeah, well, the big topic, of course, is AI, and no surprise there. But I think it's really more about like what is AI, how it's using. Now it's really getting into what are customers doing with AI. How are those use cases really applying? What are the outcomes that people are seeing? So now we're getting into the metrics and return on investment, which is really exciting to see. It's not just stories. It's really about delivery and moving into production.
So what do you think is going to make the biggest impact on the market?
Well, I think across the board, for what we're focused on, obviously there's still cloud transformation that is continuing, but AI transformation really is changing the game in many ways. And so there are a couple of categories for how we look at it. So there's the self-service side within CX. There's the agent empowerment side. There's the managerial insights side. And so I think all three of those now, what we're seeing is really AI becoming infused throughout the product. In fact, kind of a funny little thing is like, do you have internet with your cloud? Well, do you have AI with your contact center, right? And so it's kind of becoming, rather than a separate thing, it really is becoming cohesive in the whole. But what's the sort of where it's going, agent empowerment, how do you give agents superpowers so that they can do a better job, make it more enjoyable, really focus on where they can excel? Managerial insights really is about how do you give more information and better information to make better decisions and leverage the power of generative AI to take all this data that's out there, this ocean of data, to really find where are those islands with the palm tree, with the coconut, really just dial in the types of information so that you're going to be able to make better decisions.
Now, I understand that you've been talking about a program here.
That's right, yes. So at Enterprise Connect here, one of the exciting launches that we had is called Five9 Fusion Evolution. And it's a unique thing about Five9 because we're very partner friendly. Our system and our platform is very open. And so we really do work well with others so that we can help build that custom bespoke experience for our customers, for their consumers. And so what Five9 Fusion Evolution does is it says, let's take it beyond technology integrations or partner product integrations. Let's go into the ISV world, embrace them, invest in those relationships, and be able to have those relationships build more value. The other is the embedded technologies, right? And so we have LLMs or other vendors that are bringing great technology that fuse together with the platform, no pun intended, by the way, and then really deliver an overall experience through a differentiated approach to being open. The contact center used to be like that. It used to be cottage industries with professional services that would really blend everything together. Cloud homogenized that because a little bit of the features weren't there necessarily. But as time progressed and as we've advanced on platform development and features, what's happened is now it's opening back up to really bring best-in-class platforms with best and leading partners together to work to deliver and solve problems for our customers.
Now, how is the Five9 partner strategy different?
Yeah, so there's kind of a spectrum in our space. And so there are some of the other leading CCaaS vendors that are closed or walled garden. And so you really need solutions that are bought from those vendors. And so great solutions, but everything's kind of holistic from that perspective. But when you think about open, there is so much innovation happening on all fronts in CX. And because of that, Five9 is able to uniquely tap into that innovation to really deliver best to market solutions to provide for our customers. And so it really is a differentiated approach. Five9 is out in front on this one. And so when you need to bring a lot of different technology partners together, leverage cloud, and of course, leverage AI, that's what we're here for and where we're succeeding.
And what are the top challenges you are hearing from customers at the moment, especially what you heard on the floor today?
Yeah, I think there are probably two themes that I would leave with you. So one is the getting started approach for AI. And so we kind of talk a little bit about the easy button on where and how AI can do very quick and easy, high ROI, high impact, type things. And so getting started on that journey, and also not being fearful of it. Yes, there are enterprise concerns with trust, guardrails, security, but many of us now in the industry as vendors have done a great job in addressing those. So getting started, I think, is the key thing. The other is the fragmented data set that really is helping to feed how agents are interfacing with human agents, with human consumers. But the other side of it is how AI agents are leveraging that data to then also take care of their consumers. And then as you think about how this market evolves, I mean, eventually AI agents will be talking with AI agents from the consumer side to the contact center side. So a little mind-blowing in how you have to think about sort of the design and construction of where customers' experience is going to evolve.
So what's next for Five9 and what you're calling partner evolution?
Yeah, so on the Five9 Fusion evolution, that's very exciting because we're going to be announcing a lot of different Fusion partners in the various product integrations, the ISV, and the embedded technology categories. And so expect a lot more from Five9 on that. And I think the other thing is that, keep an eye on what we're going to be announcing a little bit later in the year. We are moving fast and furious. Customer experience is evolving very quickly. It is an exciting time to be in this industry. And so, a lot on the way, but AI transformation certainly is going to make a big impact.
Matt, I want to thank you for joining me today. Thank you for taking some time out here at a busy Enterprise Connect. Where can we learn more about Five9?
So easy. Go to five9.com.